Hey family, good morning, good morning, good morning. So this is day 6, the power of quality time. Hey family, welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strength and Unity. We've talked about prayer, presence, and forgiveness, but today let's focus on something that every family needs. It's quality time. Life is busy and it's easy to get caught up in the routine. But quality time isn't just about how much time you spend together. You know what? It's about making moments, meaningful moments. Jesus spent intentional time with his disciples, teaching us that real connection happens when we slow down, when we engage. Your family doesn't need more distractions. They need more you. So today, here's what I'm going to challenge you to do. To carve out 15 minutes for quality time with a family member. It could be a meal, a walk, or even a game. Just something that builds connection and makes them feel valued. Strong families aren't built by accidents. They are built on intentional moments. Let's reset by prioritizing time together. We'll see you tomorrow for another step toward strength and unity.